Assalamualaikum class 5. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 27th of May 2021 and the day is Thursday. Fine class? Okay. So yesterday we studied the divisibility rules for number 8. Isn't class? Yes, Abdul Moiz, you tell me. Very good. Divisibility rules for number 8. Yes, who will tell me about what are the rules that we have discussed yesterday? Okay. Yes, Alishpa, you tell me what are the rules that we have discussed? Very good. We have discussed a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by last 3 digits is a multiple of 8. हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि जो last 3 numbers हैं, for example I have this number. If the last 3 numbers is a multiple of 8, so we can say it is divisible by 8. Okay, first rule that we have discussed this, and we have also discussed if there are zeros as its 100, tens and ones place, 100 ones, tens and 100 place, if 3 zeros at ones, tens and 100 place, so we can say it is exactly divisible by 8. Isn't class? यही हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था last day. Okay, so let's take an example. I have a number. To check divisibility rule on it. 6128. I have 6128 and I want to find divisibility rules for number 8. मैंने क्या फाइंड आउट करने की, इज दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 8 or no? Isn't class? So first of all, what would I do? Very good. I will take last 3 numbers, okay, which is 128. As you know, the place value which started from right side and we can take as ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So from this number we can take last 3 digits, which is 128. Isn't class? Now let's check its divisibility rule. So we can divide by 8 to check is it divisible by 8 or not. Fine. Now we will divide by 8. 128 divided by 8. If it is exactly divisible by 8, so we can simply say the given number is also divisible by 8. Fine class? Now, as you know, if I take one number which is smaller than 8, so I will take two digit which is 12, so 8 1 times 8, but 8 2 times is 16, which is greater than 12, so I will take 8 1 times 8. Now what is the next step? Very good, to subtract. So 12 minus 8, 4. Now I will bring down 8 here because 4 is smaller than 8. Dividend is smaller than 8, so I will bring down 8 here. Fine. Now I will read the table of 8 again to make the nearest number, which is 48. So class, as you know, Yes, Alvina, you tell me. Very good. 8 6 times 48. 8 6 times 48. Isn't class? As you know, we have remainder 0. So it means it is exactly divisible by 8. So we can write 16 in the end, and we can write also 6128, which is given number, is divisible by 8. Okay? डिविजिबिलिटी रूल चेक करने के लिए फॉर नंबर 8 के लिए डिविजिबिलिटी रूल जो है वो क्या है कि अगर हमारे पास एक नंबर है, ठीक है, उसमें से हम लास्ट 3 नंबर्स को क्या करेंगे, लेंगे और उसको डिवाइड करेंगे 8 पर. If it is divisible by 8, exactly divisible by 8, so we can say the given number is also divisible by 8. ठीक है, फर्स्ट तो ये क्राइटेरिया आपका ये है, और सेकंड जो है वो क्या है, if the given number having 3 zeros in the end, which is at 100, tens and ones place, so you can say it is divisible by 8. Fine. So these are the rules that we can say the numbers are exactly divisible by 8. So class, this is all which is related to previous lesson. Now today we will discuss divisibility rules for number 9. Divisibility rules for number 9. Okay, now in this lesson class we will discuss what rules we have discussed to find out divisibility rules for number 9. Okay, now the first rule to check divisibility rule for number 9 is we have a number which is 18. I have a number 18. Fine. So first of all, I will take sum of this number. I will take sum of this number when I have sum. So I will notice that the sum of the digits of such numbers is always a multiple of 9. Fine. So मैंने क्या ऑब्जर्व भी करूंगी कि जो सम होगा इसका वो एग्जैक्टली क्या होगा, मल्टीपल होगा या एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल होगा. इट्स मीन 1 + 8. गिवन नंबर का हम क्या लेंगे, सम लेंगे, और वहां से क्या करेंगे, चेक करेंगे that the number which comes after addition is this number divisible by 9 or a multiple of 9. So we can say that simply it is divisible by 9. So 1 + 8 is 9. As you know class, 9 is 9, 1 times 9. ठीक है, 9 1 times 9 and it is divisible by, exactly divisible by 9. Now I have another example which is 63. 63. Now I will check the sum. 6 + 3, which is equals to 9. So I can say this is divisible by 9. Isn't class? Huzefa? Very good. Now I have another example which is 99. 9 + 9. So 9 + 9 is 18. So 18 is a multiple of 9 class. Very good. So we can say these are exactly divisible by 9. of the digits of such number 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8. So 2 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 5 is 13. Now 13 plus 8 is 21. 13 plus 8 is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 8 is 18. I have 18. So class 18 is divisible by 9 or not? Very good. 18 is divisible by 9. So अब इसकी स्टेटमेंट क्या होगी? If the digits of any number adds up to a number which is exactly divisible by 9, then the original number is also divisible by 9. Fine? क्या मीन है इसका कि ऐसे डिजिट्स जब हम उनको ऐड करते हैं, अगर वो एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल होंगे नंबर 9 पे, और उसका ओरिजिनल नंबर जो है वो भी डिविजिबल क्या हो जाएगा नंबर 9 पे. फाइन. सो अब इसकी स्टेटमेंट हमारे पास क्या होगी? इफ द डिजिट्स of any number add up to a number which is exactly divisible by 9, then the original number is also divisible by 9. Okay class? क्या मीन है इसका? If the digits of any number, suppose I have 4, 1, 3, 5. I have this number. Now, the digits of any number adds up to number which is exactly divisible. अगर मैं इसका सम लेती हूँ, इन डिजिट्स का सम लेती हूँ, सो अगर वो एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल है किस पे 9 पे, सो हम क्या करेंगे? जो ओरिजिनल नंबर है विच इज 4135 is also, we can say, is also divisible by 9. Fine class. Now we will solve exercise question number 8 from page number 33. Exercise number 2A, page number 33, question number 8. Check with the help of rule of divisibility. Check with the help of rule of divisibility. Which of the following are divisible by 9? Fine class. I have part A which is 1873. So class हमने क्या इसके रूल्स जो हैं अभी डिस्कस किए. If the sum of digits adds up to number which is exactly divisible by 9. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करते हैं हम इसका सम लेते हैं which is 1873. number 9, it is compulsory that the sum of digits of number is a multiple of 9. ये सबको क्लियर हो गया कि इसके लिए क्या कंपल्सरी है कि जो उसका सम है डिजिट्स का वो क्या होना चाहिए, मल्टीपल होना चाहिए नंबर 9 का. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. इन द एंड वी विल राइट 19 is not divisible by 9. So therefore we can write the original number is not divisible by number 9. Fine. नंबर 9 की डिविजिबिलिटी रूल्स को चेक करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, द नंबर विच वी हैव गिवन वी विल जस्ट सिंपली एड अप टू अ नंबर एंड वी चेक इज इट डिविजिबल और अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 9 or not. If it is a multiple of 9, so we can say the original number is also divisible by number 9. Fine. So let's take another example which is B part. So first of all, what would we do, class? Yes, Abdul Rahman, you tell me. Very good. We will add these digits to check is it a multiple of 9 or divisible by 9. So 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7. So this is the way to find out the sum of this number. Now 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5 as it is and plus 7 as it is. Now 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 7 is 18. So class, 18 is a multiple of 9. Should I say this? Very good. 9 2 times 18. So I will write 18 is a multiple of 9. So in this way, the original number which is 2057 is also divisible by number 9. Fine. Number 9 के लिए divisibility rule क्या है? We will first take the number which is given. और यहाँ पे क्या है 2457. We will first of all check its sum. If its sum equals to if its sum is a multiple of 9 or divisible by 9, so we can simply write the original number is also divisible by number 9. Fine class. ये सबको clear है? Okay, now I am going to conclude the lesson. What we have learned today. We have discussed divisibility rules for number 9 and what is the condition to find the rules of divisibility by number 9 is. एक ही condition है जिसको आपने याद रखना है, वो क्या है class? The sum of digits of number is a multiple of 9. जो उसका sum जो given number है उसका sum जब आप लोगे तो वो क्या होना चाहिए? Multiple of 9. ठीक है. In this way we can say the given number or the original number is divisible by number 9. So this is all class. You have to practice question number 8 all parts in your notebook from page number 33. If you find any difficulty you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.